Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Life. Let's get started with our content on cloud computing. Start.
What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services over the Internet. It involves the use of remote servers hosted on the Internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than relying on a local server or personal computer.
Cloud service models. Explore the different service models in cloud computing, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Discuss their characteristics, advantages, and use cases.
Cloud security. Examine the security challenges and solutions in cloud computing. Encryption. Encryption ensures that data remains secure, both during transit and at rest within the cloud environment. Thanks for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe Creative Life.